While you sleep, your body secretly rebuilds itself. But one missing nutrient can shut the entire repair system down. Tonight, you'll discover what's really happening in your muscles and why most people are aging faster overnight. Welcome to Wellness Unfolds, where we discover the secrets of biology to transform your health and unlock your body's true potential. Did you know that while you are dreaming, your body is actually hard at work repairing the damage from the day? Science reveals that nearly 80% of all muscle repair and tissue regeneration happens exclusively while you are fast asleep. By understanding and leveraging your natural circadian rhythm, you can turn your nightly rest into a powerful chamber of physical restoration. This process is vital as we age, preventing frailty and keeping our bodies robust, balanced, and ready for tomorrow's challenges. Tonight, we will explore the specific nutrients that fuel this nocturnal machinery, ensuring you wake up stronger than when you slept. Many suffer from muscle loss simply because they lack the raw materials needed to support the body's nightly construction projects. First on our list is the master mineral of relaxation, magnesium glycinate, a crucial element that many people are unknowingly missing. Without enough magnesium, your muscles remain tense and agitated, leading to painful cramps that can jolt you awake at night. Magnesium acts as a natural muscle relaxant, calming the nervous system and allowing your physical body to enter deep recovery mode. We specifically choose the glycinate form because it contains glycine, an amino acid that lowers body temperature to induce sleep. This unique combination ensures you not only fall asleep faster, but stay in the restorative phase long enough to heal. For the elderly, magnesium deficiency is a primary driver of muscle weakness and the inability to maintain proper balance. Supplementing with this mineral creates the foundation for recovery, preparing the cellular environment for the other nutrients to do their work. Next, we introduce the power couple of structural integrity, vitamin D3 and K2, working together to build lasting strength. Vitamin D3 is actually a hormone that instructs your DNA to synthesize new muscle protein and repair damaged tissue fibers. It specifically protects type 2 muscle fibers, which are essential for preventing falls and maintaining your quick reflex movements. However, taking vitamin D3 alone is not enough. You need its partner, vitamin K2, to ensure safety and effectiveness. Without K2, the calcium absorbed by vitamin D3 might end up in the wrong places, like your arteries or joints. Vitamin K2 acts like a traffic controller, ensuring calcium goes into your bones and muscles, not clogging up your arteries. This synergy creates a robust skeletal system that supports stronger muscles, significantly reducing the risk of fractures and injuries. Taking this combination with your evening meal allows for better absorption, as these are fat-soluble vitamins that need dietary fat. By directing calcium correctly, you preserve your heart health while simultaneously building the structural framework your body desperately needs. Now we move to the spark plug of your biological engine, zinc picolinate, a master regulator of growth and repair. Think of zinc as the ignition switch that activates hundreds of enzymes responsible for building new muscle tissue overnight. It is absolutely essential for the production of testosterone and IGF-1, the two most critical hormones for muscle regeneration. Research shows that zinc levels naturally drop during the night, so replenishing it before bed maintains optimal anabolic conditions. Without adequate zinc, these repair enzymes sit idle, and your body misses its nightly window of opportunity for growth. Zinc also strengthens your immune system, ensuring that your body's energy is focused on repair rather than fighting off infections. We recommend the picolinate form because it has the highest absorption rate, ensuring the mineral actually reaches your hungry cells. Restoring healthy zinc levels can lead to a noticeable increase in morning energy and overall physical drive and stamina. The fourth pillar of our nighttime stack is vitamin B6, specifically in the active P5P form for immediate use. B6 acts as the project manager, helping to metabolize the protein you ate during the day into new muscle tissue. Beyond muscle building, it supports the brain's production of serotonin and GABA, natural chemicals that calm anxiety and promote sleep. If you often feel physically tired but mentally wired at night, a lack of active vitamin B6 might be the culprit. The P5P form bypasses the need for conversion in the liver, making it safe and effective even for those with digestive issues. Together, these four nutrients create a perfect biochemical environment for your body to rebuild itself while you are unconscious. However, timing is everything. And there are two common supplements you must strictly avoid taking before you go to bed. Vitamin B12 is crucial for energy production, but taking it at night is like drinking a strong cup of coffee. It stimulates the nervous system and suppresses melatonin, making it difficult to fall asleep and reducing overall sleep quality. Always take your B complex or B12 supplements in the morning or early afternoon to align with your natural energy rhythm. The second supplement to avoid at night is high-dose vitamin C, which can be surprisingly disruptive to your rest. Vitamin C has a mild diuretic effect, which can cause you to wake up in the middle of the night. Every time you wake up, you break the cycle of deep sleep, halting the release of growth hormone and muscle repair. Furthermore, high doses of antioxidants near bedtime can actually blunt the biological signals your body uses to initiate muscle recovery. Now, let's look at the roadmap of what you can expect when you implement this nighttime recovery protocol consistently. In the first week, the most immediate change will be the quality of your sleep and how refreshed you feel. You will find yourself falling asleep faster, staying asleep longer, and waking up with a clearer, sharper mind. By week 4, your energy levels during the day will stabilize, and those nagging muscle cramps will disappear completely. Your muscles will start to feel firmer, and you will notice better recovery after any physical activity or daily exertion. At the 8-week mark, the structural benefits of vitamin D3 and K2 become apparent in your posture and core strength. Your balance will improve significantly, reducing the risk of falls, a crucial benefit for maintaining independence as you age. By week 12, you have effectively reset your body's repair mechanisms, resulting in tangible increases in muscle mass and strength. This is not just about supplements. It is about respecting your biology and giving it the tools it needs. While supplements are powerful, always strive to include whole foods rich in these nutrients in your daily diet. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new regimen, especially if you are taking other prescription medications. Remember, the most powerful performance-enhancing drug available to human beings is a good night of deep, restorative sleep. Your body has the miraculous ability to heal and regenerate itself, provided you do not get in its way. By adding magnesium, zinc, D3, K2, and B6, you are simply unlocking the potential that is already inside you. Take charge of your nights to transform your days and witness how your body thanks you with renewed vigor. Imagine waking up every single morning feeling fully recharged, pain-free, and ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. This protocol is not just for athletes. It is for anyone who wants to age gracefully and maintain physical independence. Muscle is the organ of longevity, and protecting it should be your top priority as you navigate through life. Invest in your sleep hygiene, optimize your nutrient intake, and watch as your health metrics improve week after week. We have covered a lot of ground today, from the cellular level of zinc to the structural integrity of bones. To recap, magnesium for relaxation, D3 and K2 for structure, zinc for activation, and B6 for protein metabolism. And remember to keep your B12 and vitamin C for the morning hours to protect your precious sleep cycles. Small changes in your routine can compound over time to create massive differences in your quality of life. Like a tree that grows strongest in the quiet of the forest, your body grows strongest in the quiet of sleep. Join our community of health enthusiasts who are taking control of their biology and rewriting their own aging story. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest health discoveries. Share this video with a friend or family member who might be struggling with sleep or muscle weakness today. Let us know in the comments below which of these supplements you are already taking or plan to try. Your journey to a stronger, healthier body begins tonight. One peaceful sleep and one right nutrient at a time. Thank you for watching Wellness Unfolds. Sleep well, recover strong, and we will see you in the next video.